traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So pretty decent push down today, and to me this is starting to look like a double 3 pattern. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. If that is the case, then this actually may now make either 1, 2, 3 waves down for a WXY, or possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for like a flat pattern. Either way, I would have my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. I think that we probably should be looking for 3 waves up and possibly a Fibonacci bounce to maybe take a short for either a wave C or maybe a wave C of wave Y. Either way should be a pretty decent push down. So we do have a little bit of news coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow we have German and Spanish CPI. The Germany one especially should move the market a little bit. And then for the US dollar, we have GDP, and we also have unemployment claims tomorrow afternoon, or at 8:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. So definitely a few things to look out for tomorrow, especially on the shorter time frames for the shorter time frame traders. But anyways, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.